Hi everyone, my name is Ethan Perez with Coreware, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to set up and also customize your emails and notifications in coreFORCE. I'm going to begin by letting you know that notifications in coreFORCE can be thought of as a blind carbon copy, also known as BCC, on an email. Emails in coreFORCE, however, would be more like sending just a normal email to a primary recipient. So to manage your notifications, you can go over here to System, scroll down to Notifications, and here you can see all of the notifications that have been activated. Now, let's say that you're not seeing the notification that you want. To activate that, we're going to go to Orders, Coreshop Setup. You're going to go over to this Notifications tab right here. And let's say we want to search for physical product order notification. All I'm going to need to do is type in my email here, press save, and that is now set up. So if I search it, it will actually give me a link to go back to System Notifications. And here you can see that it input my email address. So we know that that is now set up. Let's go ahead and take a look at our emails. If you want to view your emails, this is going to be in a different place. These are going to be in Contacts, Emails. Here you can see the full list of emails that we have set to customize. Now, the emails will actually only show up here if they have been set to customize from your Coreshop setup. So let's go ahead and go take a look at that. Orders, Coreshop setup, and now we're going to go to the Emails tab. If you scroll through this list, just like in Notifications, you can see a full list of all of the options that are available that you can set up. You'll also notice this red text. For some of these, it'll say the system default is to send no email, and for some of them, it's to send a generic email. Well, for the ones that don't send an email, or if you want them to send an email, I suppose, let's go ahead and search. So maybe I want to look at gift card related emails. I can see 3 different options here, one of which is already set up. Let's go ahead and choose this one and set that to customize because I want to customize this generic email. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then you'll go back to Contacts, Emails, and because there's a big list, I'm just going to search gift, and here's the one that I had just set up. Let's go ahead and click on that. This might seem a little intimidating at first because the content for the email is actually going to need to be written in HTML and CSS, but definitely not JavaScript. In fact, email clients might even reject an email with JavaScript. It's also important to note that the HTML standards for email are about 20 years old, and many modern HTML elements actually won't work in email. Even so, extensive styling can be applied. Maybe you're not a coder and you want to get a better idea of what your email actually looks like. Go ahead and just copy this, and you can go over to this website called codepen.io/pen. And in this first box here, I'm just going to go ahead and paste my content, and that will display down below and show me exactly what my email looks like. If you want to take a look at some more extensive styling, you can go over to this one, and I'm just going to Control A to select all, Control C to copy. I'm going to bring that back over, Control V to paste. This will actually show me what my email with styling is going to look like. If you're not a coder, this again can seem a little intimidating, but it is still pretty easy to change some of the base text. For example, if you want to add some instructions, let's just go ahead and make a new line, P, that's what we call a paragraph tag. Say you can also use this gift card in store. And maybe we also want to add a barcode. I'm actually just going to post in some code that will pass the gift card number value into a barcode. And don't worry, we will actually have a place where you can copy this barcode on our knowledge base article with the same name, setting up emails and notifications in coreFORCE. And we will have that available in the description. Let's go ahead and copy that to see what our new edits look like. And here's the text that we added. You can also use this gift card in store. And I forgot to add a period. So let's add a period there and also just add it here. And that will reflect almost immediately. And this little image here is where the barcode would be displayed. However, because there's not actually a value being passed into it, the code doesn't really know what to do with it. Normally within Coreware, this will show a full barcode. Again, to see a full list of all of the emails that you have set up, you can come here. You can also CC email addresses. Really, there's a lot of different things that you can do here. In this video, we have learned to set up and customize our emails and notifications in coreFORCE. If you have any additional questions, please see our article in the description below with the same name, Setting Up Emails and Notifications in coreFORCE. And please let us know if you have any more questions. Thank you.